Hey guys, Emerald Cat here, and welcome back to a brand new video, where today we are finally playing a game that I've been looking forward to, Falcomaster. This game was made by a YouTuber named Guy. His animations are pretty cool with the knight character and the dragon, so without further ado, let's get started on episode 1. Let's go. Okay, so that's us, Falcomaster. Cool ski mask.
Hey!
It's Fox.
You think we're out of options yet?
What do you mean? What's coming? Oh, it's coming. An octagon. What was that all about? Okay, that's us.
Did you bring your ticket?
What ticket?
What do you mean? You're the one with the extra.
I texted it to you this morning.
Text?
No phone? Again? Ugh, wake
Who
up,
forgets
man.
their phone?
You gotta stay sharp for these matches.
What do you think pockets are for?
Hey, it's just friendlies. Don't overhype things.
Jack, this is how we improve. You won't get any better just thrashing on me all day.
Thrashing is putting it lightly.
Behave, Jack.
Alright, ladies first. I'm guessing that's our game pass.
No security? I feel like we could have just walked in without even buying any tickets.
These kind of events are small compared to real sports. Oh, shut up.
Oops, double
I
click.
didn't say anything.
Sorry about that.
Let's just get in line.
Whoa. Is that guy selling posters?
Cool.
That shape. I've seen it before.
It's an hexagon, bro.
Yeah, it's called a hexagon.
Yeah, a hexagon.
Jack, focus. We're here to improve, not shop.
Switchblade strikes again! Ha ha!
Switchblade.
Ready for round 9?
That was the last one.
What? Really? Nah, we just got here.
Oh, brother.
So, this is what people buy $50 tickets for. Standing very still. In one spot.
I blame the TOs. They clearly need to get more setups in this place. There's definitely space for it.
Want to just hover some matches?
What? No! We gotta do it by the rules, Jack.
It's rock, paper, scissors.
Waist height, arms outstretched. 2 cubits apart.
We can do that right here.
In the middle of a line? No way. We're gonna look like total noobs doing it here.
Everything looks green.
Hurry up, slowpokes!
Hey! I'll play with you.
Randy.
Best 3 out of 5.
3 and a 5, huh?
Hey, Sarah. Could you give us some space? Like 1 to 2 cubits?
Thanks. Okay. You ready?
Ready as I ever be. Okay, let's go with scissors.
Ready.
Rock, paper, scissors.
All right.
Defeated.
That's game one.
Game one.
Good to go?
Right. Okay. Let's go for paper.
Ready.
Yes.
I'm planting rock in his head.
Stay out of this.
He's going to go rock. Go paper.
Okay then.
Whoops. Sorry, just saying I get to play winner.
Okay then. Oh, I see what's going on. She's putting the idea in his
Ready?
head.
Ready.
Paper. Smash! Victory!
Okay. Next round.
Next round.
Ready?
Ready?
Ready.
All right.
Alright, one more time.
All right. Last one.
Ready.
Smash! Defeated? That's a rock.
Rock?
Ha ha! Hey, good game.
Great game.
Yeah, great game.
I'm gonna go buy some art.
Wait! Hold up! What? Ugh.
Sore loser.
I guess I just forgot.
Who forgets that paper beats rock?
But does it really? Most rocks are rough and pointy. I can definitely see rocks tearing a hole or two in a piece of
Pointy.
paper.
That's a good point, but I'm pretty sure that's not how the game
Paper
works.
always beats rock.
Well, yeah,
It's been
everyone
that way
knows
since, like, the beginning of time.
True.
Maybe it's time to start a new meta.
You can't change the meta. You can only write it.
True.
Right now the meta is planting and you botched it.
You care too much about winning. Just have fun.
Yeah, have fun.
No. You don't even try to win. You're robbing everyone of a game. You're just trying to lose.
And I succeeded. That
More like a punching
Whoops.
bag.
Double click. Sorry about that.
Jack, come here. Check it out.
Before we do that, let's go pick up a poster.
Hey man, I'm already packing up.
Oh,
crap.
yeah, crap indeed.
I still got these out though.
Who are these guys?
I think they're pro players or a team logo or something. Likely retired by now. I just thought they looked cool.
Yeah, really cool.
Jack, over here.
It does look pretty sick.
Sarah, are we even allowed back here?
Nah, but check this out. This podium is gonna be on the main stage later today.
It looks like a foosball table. You know, one of those one of those soccer games you play in an arcade.
I'm all for playing anywhere you want, but isn't this pushing it? We could get thrown out and miss the finals.
Look around. Nobody's here but us. The TOs wouldn't even care. It's fine.
If you say so.
You know, even without all the lights in the crowd, this feels pretty damn cool.
Ready?
Ready as I ever be.
Ready?
That's gotta hurt.
Master D? Oh my god. I'm so sorry. You scared me.
You surprised me with that rock. Expected scissors.
Are you here to kick us out?
Kick you out? Nah, that's not my style.
What is that on your face? It makes you look like you have a big nose.
You don't know Master D?
Hi. My real name
No,
is
no, 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 shush. Don't break the illusion. You're Master D.
I see. Call me Master D.
Wow, Sarah's fangirling. You must be a pro player.
Speak.
Well, my critics would disagree.
Nah, man. Master D is the best. Number one.
Top 10.
Like that.
Can I get an autograph?
Look, I'm supposed to meet someone here, Anne.
Please, it'll be quick.
I don't have a pen.
Yeah, that's true. Where did you keep those? In your purse or something? You're writing that on her hand. I would recommend writing on a piece of paper or something, or maybe a shirt.
Now, have you seen Switchblade back here?
Oh, you mean the guy with the mohawk who has a problem? No, haven't seen him.
Blue Mohawk, shouts real loud.
Nope, haven't seen him.
No, why?
My practice partner. Gotta warm up.
Me!
Are you good?
Oh, yes.
I'd prefer to wait for my partner.
Him! He's great.
Are you great?
He's good.
Okay.
Oops. Double click by accident.
Best 2 out of 3. Let's go.
Alright.
Ready?
Okay, Jack. He's gonna go paper, so get your scissors ready.
Ready as I ever be.
You sure you're ready?
Ready.
Ready. Darn.
Ready?
Ready.
Come on, Jack. You can do this.
Something's
I'm
fishy.
planting rock this time. Just cover it with paper. Just grab the rock. Don't go scissors.
Got it.
Ready.
What the heckabus? Not working on him. Oh, I think we might have awoken a beast.
That's 2 out of 3. Good game.
Wait. One more.
Look, I really have to go find my partner.
Just one more game.
I think I've overstayed my time with fans.
Technically speaking, he's not
I'm
a
not
fan.
your fan. I didn't even know who you were until a few minutes ago.
Jack, I know you're salty, but we lost. He's a pro player. The planting didn't work.
I know, but I can beat him. We can beat him.
He doesn't want us. He wants a challenge.
I want a challenge. Keep planning.
Like I said, we woken a beast.
Dude, you're embarrassing.
Your friend is not showing up. We saw him holding up the line at friendlies.
What? No way! He hates using those machines.
He looked like he was having fun to me.
Is this true? Or is he just baiting me into a rematch?
Both. It's true. And he's also baiting you into a rematch.
Which way is friendlies?
There were tons of people over there. You really want to confront him in front of your fans? Is it worth the drama?
I need to get my practice in.
You've got a punching bag right here, Master D.
Oh, I think he did it. He budged. We got his goat.
Okay, but only because I'd do anything. For a fan.
Whatever you say. Sarah, you ready to watch this?
Oh, yep.
But I'm not
Alright.
going to hold back. So be a good punching bag. And stay still.
Ready.
Well.
No paper. I was planting rock.
Wasn't safe. Had to switch it up. It's like he knows what's coming.
Ready?
Crap.
I don't have time for this. After I win, I'm kicking you guys out of here.
Oh, crap.
Jack?
Keep planning. I almost got it.
Ready?
Ready. What are you looking for?
We're ready. We got him. Ooh. Okay. New extra unlock. Okay. I think we won! Woo!
But I thought planting was the way to go nowadays.
Sending hidden signals at your opponent is a clever technique, but it won't work in tournament. Even with a partner, it's easy to catch on.
And you caught on from the start.
And you caught on that I caught on at the very end.
Clever.
I told you he was great.
He's... okay.
Yikes.
Sorry your partner flaked out.
Third time in a row. He'd rather practice out there with fans than backstage with an old friend. Well, I'm in no position to speak, considering I just lost to a fan.
Yeah, that's true.
I know, you're not a fan.
I
But what about a partner?
am! Yes!
Ooh.
My real name is Arthur. You go by Jack, and she's Sarah, right?
Yes!
Oh, definitely, yes.
So, what do you say? To all of us playing together.
But I'm not really into pro sports. I just play for fun.
Perfect! Then you felt it, right?
Felt what?
Meta game.
The metagame. Just now, during our match.
Oh.
Sure? Sarah was planning rock, and then paper.
No. During the match. Remember the flow? The rhythm? The highs and the lows?
We were playing rock, paper, smash. But we were also playing something else on top of that.
Yeah, that's it.
The metagame.
So you're gonna show us some tricks?
Maybe a throwing style that'll put us ahead of the competition.
The metagame doesn't work like that. Remember why it's called rock, paper, smash?
Yeah, because you smash your hand down when showing your moves.
Yeah, and it's easier than saying scissors? No, that's all a misconception. There was a whole other game before this one came along.
Well, I have a guess who it is.
Seriously? What?
Oh, I'll tell you what it is.
Super Smash Brothers.
Sounds kiddie.
Oh, come on, it's a blast.
I'm not kidding. All major tournaments stash a Smash Bros. Setup as tradition. Look.
It's a video game.
It's a video game?
And it has a classic GameCube. I have that too, set up next to my Xbox console.
How old is this shrine?
Decades. Probably.
Cool.
You want to learn metagame, don't you?
History's cool, but I'm sticking to RPS.
Jack, then. For fun.
Well, you know I'm in. History is a blast. Oh, good memories.
So, how do you play?
Maybe if I ever go to a convention, maybe I should bring my GameCube with me. You know, so that way I can play some game with competition.
The goal is to hit your opponent off stage. The more you hurt me, the easier it is to do this. See?
Oh yeah. And the controls?
Look here. This button is your basic attack. And to jump, you've gotta... yeah.
Well, takes that long to learn how to play.
Looks like you got it. Let's do a real match now. Choose your character.
There's something familiar about these two.
Good choice.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Okay, so we're Fox. And Master D's Falco.
Try to punish my grabs. Okay, while attacking my grabs, now try grabbing my guards.
That works.
Good. Let's see how you handle this.
What the hell, Arthur? You didn't tell me how to deal with your attacks.
You never asked.
How do I deal with attacks?
Mix in your own guard to block my attacks. You're getting the hang of this.
Sure am getting the hang of it.
When your opponent is vulnerable, you may freely counterattack.
Awesome sauce.
You should try out other characters.
Well, I did it. New achievement. Well, that sure brings back good memories.
So, what do you think? It feels like rock, paper, smash, right?
All I saw was a bunch of button mashing.
That's
because you weren't playing. That's because she wasn't playing.
It's a lot more complex than rock, paper, smash.
What, like adding Lizard Spock?
It's not just more options. It's just more fun. Ready for another match?
Sorry, but I gotta get back to my real practice. This is the stuff that pays the bills. Barely.
Oh. What happened to Smash Bros?
That's a good question.
One last game.
Okay. He looks a little disappointed. Oh, now he's playing Fox. Alright, let's see what we can do. Octagons. Wow.
Nice trick.
It's not just a trick. It's the trick. The one and only trick you needed to win this game. My partner taught it to me in a week. With the resources out there, a noob could learn it in a month.
Let me try a different character. Maybe I can counter it.
There is no counter to Shine. No rock to beat these scissors, nor a paper for this rock. Shine counters rock, paper, scissors, grab, shield, and attack.
But the bird guy has that shining move too.
True, but Fox is on a whole other tier. He's faster, stronger, and survives longer. His shine is more lethal too.
So then, when this game was popular, everyone went Fox.
When this game was popular, everyone went different characters. Some players would even main 2 characters, but then some bastards destroy the whole thing without one trick. An entire metagame gone in one season.
Yikes.
How do you know all this?
Well, it's basic RPS history, or a theory or something.
You're hiding something, are you?
Just know that this game died so that we can enjoy the awesomeness that is Rock, Paper, Smash.
I failed to see how awesome Paper Smash could be. Like, I'm all for video games these days, but rock, paper, scissors? Come on. It's not really a real game, more like just a card trip game.
Sarah, you should really try this game out. But the past is in the past. I guess.
You know, you can't really judge the game without even playing it.
Hey, just because you can perfect Smash Brothers doesn't mean you can perfect RPS. Look, 3 whole options. Rock, paper, scissors. That's all you need. No cheap tricks.
That's what we're all here for.
True.
I have Master D's number. This may be our big break, Jack. This is the #1 way to get better. Practice sessions with a real pro. Jack! Hey, you haven't said a word since Arthur invited us out.
Yeah.
It's true.
Yeah. What, not hyped?
Sarah, ever thought about playing something else?
Oh no. Every time we switch to a new game, a week later, it's back to RPS. We've tried it 1,000,000 times already. Rock, Paper, Smash is where it's at anyways. Everyone plays it. That's where you find good players. The pros. Like Arthur. You even beat him.
That was pretty fun.
Sure was.
Yeah, so you're semi-pro at least. Better come up with a gamer tag. Jack won't cut it.
Well, you all know my gamer tag.
I know. Becoming Arthur's
unplug
practice
cat.
partner is sick.
Super sick.
But you didn't try out Smash Bros. I'm telling you.
This again. Listen, you can go play your dead Super Mario Brothers game. I'm gonna go get an official dueling mat. The vendors were that way, right?
Sure. Whatever.
She really doesn't know what she's missing out, is she? She can't really judge it without even giving it a try. What's that in his bag? Roshan Bowl. Is that a ski mask? You're putting on the ski mask? It's him. He's Falcomaster. He does look pretty sick with the mask. And the glasses.
I'm not real.
Oh.
Wow!
Oh, you're giving him something?
Wow!
You're giving him your poster? I wanted to keep that. I say it does look pretty sick with the mask.
What are you doing?
Where are these guys in? Oh! Yep, we got captured. Just like in my last reaction. What do we have here? FM Free K. Art, code, writing, Gilda guy. You know, it's kind of a shame that no one made another episode of this. I gotta say, it would be pretty cool if they if they continued this game. It would be pretty fun, for not just for me, but for other YouTubers out there. What do you guys think? Would you all like to see another game of this? Let me know in the comment section below, or let Gilda guy know. I heard there is a secret scene at the end of this. I don't see anything. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the video here, guys. So, thank you all for watching. And if you ever want me to do another video of Falcomaster, if they ever make another one, let me know in the comment section below and I'll see what I can do. I was thinking about making a game one day, if I ever get myself one of those RPG makers. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the button to be notified. My name is Emerald. Thank you for watching.